This is the 87 GN to date. We got a brand new heater core installed about 2 weeks after buying the car. Stock downpipe, heat wrapped, new gaskets, TE44 turbo with a RJC manual boost controller and HD actuator, opening at 19 psi. A stock intercooler with the T-bolt clamps, stock up pipe, Turbonetics intake with a K&N cone filter, AccuFab adjustable fuel pressure regulator, and I got the hose hooked up there with a gauge on the end. Run that to the windshield mount just for fun, see how the fuel pump is doing. Brand new ignition module sitting under the coil pack there, installed a couple weeks ago. We got 60-pound fuel injectors in there. I don't know, that's about it to the motor. A couple new stickers, some paint. You got an external front mount tranny cooler up here, and record stock rad to 3 3/8 rows with the oil cooler still running through there for the engine oil. Wired up a switch to the cooling fans so I could flick that on whenever I want. Valve springs and an alky kit coming next. Added some wheel spacers out back, make it sit nice and level.